Okay, so in this problem, we're determining what the delta H is. Here's the equation. Delta H for the whole reaction equals delta H of the products minus delta H of the reactants. And it's the sum of them. So we have to make sure that we figure out what these are, add them together, figure out what these are, add them together, and then make sure we do it products minus reactants. Okay, so first up, the magnesium nitride is negative 461. And then there are 6 waters. Each water is negative 286. So we're going to figure out or multiply these together and then add it to this. And that's going to give us negative 2,177. And then over here, we're going to do 3 times magnesium hydroxide, which is negative 925. And then we're going to add that to 2 times the ammonia, which is negative 46.1. And then when we figure those out and add it all up, we'll get negative 2867. So this is the reactants, and then these are the products. So remember, we need to flip them. So it's going to be negative 2867.2 minus negative 2177. And that's going to equal delta H for the reaction. All right, when you do that, you should end up with negative 690.2 kilojoules per mole. And then we have to do sig figs. So with the sig figs here, you can see that some of them have decimal points and some of them do not. So with that, we need to go to the least number of decimal points, which is no decimal points. So we'd have to round it to 690, but we want it to say the ones place is significant. So we want it to be 690 with the decimal kilojoules per mole. And that would be our final answer.